Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide: how to withdraw USDC from Kucoin to your Metamask wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your funds safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and locate your USDC balance. Kucoin is one of the most user-friendly exchanges, but always keep an eye on any updates for 2025. Things like interface changes could happen. Once you're there, click on the Withdraw button next to your USDC. You'll see a prompt to select the network. For Metamask, choose Ethereum, as USDC is typically on the ERC20 standard. This step is crucial to avoid any lost funds due to network mismatches. Now, enter your Metamask wallet address. Double-check this. I can't stress enough how important it is to copy it accurately from your Metamask app to prevent irreversible errors. Set the amount you want to withdraw, and don't forget to review the withdrawal fee. In 2025, fees might vary based on network congestion, so aim to withdraw a bit more than you need to cover costs. After that, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Verify it immediately. Once approved, your transaction will be processed. Head back to Metamask and watch for the funds to appear. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on Ethereum's traffic. A few quick tips for 2025. Always enable two-factor authentication on both Kucoin and Metamask for extra security. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, as they can fluctuate. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first to build confidence. And there you have it. You're all set to withdraw USDC seamlessly. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.